Hi, welcome to English Fluency TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, we will be talking about two confusing words in English, and they are stationery with an A and stationery with an E. The pronunciation of these two words are the same, but when it comes to the meaning, it's different. So let's look at the meaning of these two words. Stationery with an A, it means not moving, which means that something is not moving. So for example, when we say that this car is not moving, we say that this car is stationary, which means that this car is not moving. So when we talk about stationery with an A, what we mean is that something it's not moving, it's stationary. On the other hand, when we talk about stationery with an E, what we mean is that pen, papers and office supplies. So when we talk about office supplies, we talk about stationery with an E. And the best way to remember the difference between these two words is by the ER. So we go to a stationer to buy stationeries, just like we go to a grocer for groceries, a baker for bakeries, which are all ER. So that's the best way to remember baker, which is ER for bakeries, grocer, which is ER for groceries, same as we go to a stationer with an ER for stationaries. And that's it for today, and I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.